guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about the secret sauce to be successful on your own print-on-demand journey. Now you would be thinking, why am I qualified to say so? Either I'm making 5-figure, 6-figure or 7-figure in my own print-on-demand journey. Well guys, from few months, like from 3 to 4 months, I'm getting the sales each month. From my own print-on-demand shop. I'm making consistent monthly multiple different sales, so that's why I'm qualified to say so, or maybe not, but I want to share this thing guys with you because I see that it helped me getting more sales and it will also going to help you get more sales. So let's get straight with that, and before going into the good part, consider clicking on the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And also guys, if you want the design ideas for making your own print-on-demand design, then I have a free guide, 60 plus free niches guys, which will really going to help you getting more niche ideas for getting started with your own print-on-demand designs and all that. So I highly recommend downloading that free guide. The link is description box below. And also if you want the free graphics for making your own print-on-demand designs, the link is in description box below. So both these links are in description box below. You can download it. Now guys, there are so many ways to be successful on your print-on-demand journey, but I'm going to talk about, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I'm going to talk about the 2 secret sauce or the 2 main ingredient for being successful, for a successful recipe. So let me think, which is that 2? I know that. So first secret sauce is the consistency. Consistency. I couldn't emphasize more about it guys, because I've been talking a lot about being consistent in my YouTube videos, because I see that it is really the important thing. For anything you want to do in your life, for anything you want to achieve in your life, you need to be consistent. You need to be doing that thing each day, in and day out. If you're thinking that you just need to do for one particular day and then leave it for the months and you'll be getting the desired results, I really doubt that, because it's not that easy. It's not that case guys. So you really need to be consistent. Like I can tell you, in the beginning when I was getting started with my own Teepublic shop, I started with it in April 2020, and now I'm going to reach to my first anniversary with my own Teepublic shop in the April of 2021. So in the beginning, like 3 to 4 months, I was getting very few sales. Like I was getting the sales here and there. Like 1 month I was getting 2 sales, another one I'm getting 0 sales. Then I'm getting 1 sale, and like it was like everywhere around the road. But from the 3 to 4 months, I am getting monthly, multiple different sales from my Teepublic shop. Now I can see why I'm getting so. What are the different patterns? What are the things that I'm doing that is leading me to get more sales? So I'm actually into it, and then I realized that there are the 2 things which really helping me a lot. And I think that which is really important for every individual or for every person who want to be successful. So what is the consistency guys? You need to have a schedule, you need to have a planner. What are the things that you are going to do on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or on a monthly basis? So you need to have a planning, a proper planner, or even if you don't have a planner, you can have a proper diary or paper, or even if you can plan it in your mobile application. There are so many productivity and planner apps out there. You can download it and you can just type it down, each and everything that you want to do for the month. Plan it ahead the month. I used to do it, plan it ahead the month, because it is really helping us a lot to avoid the at the end hustle and all that. Because if you're planning it ahead, then you know that these things needs to be done in the next upcoming month, and you are well prepared for that. So that is one secret sauce to be consistent. I'm talking again and again this thing, because guys, I see that if you can do it, if 1% people who are watching this video are doing it and helping them to get more sales, then I'm really so happy about it, because that's my main purpose of making these YouTube videos. It's not just about money and all that. It's also about the inner fulfillment, inner peace, because I really love making these videos. I really love helping people. So if it's helping to even a single person, I'm really grateful for that. So that is my purpose is solved if it's helping you. The second secret sauce, the second most important ingredient of being successful is Never give up. Don't give up, guys. This is the second important thing, because if you're thinking that the sales are low, like in the January the sales was quite low, and then February it was picking up, and March is again picking up. If you're thinking that the sales are low and it's not working for you, and then you're quitting up, I really want to tell you guys, don't quit. You never know you're going to reach to that level which you have never imagined in your lifetime, which you have never imagined in your dreams. I can tell you guys, when I was getting started with my own online business back in March of 2020, I wasn't even expecting a single sale for that. I wasn't even expecting that. And now I'm making multiple different sales each month from my own online business. So I can say, guys, I never imagined that thing. I never imagined, because that was just an idea. I never thought that this idea would actually going to work. I was just trying it to see if it works or not. But now I'm making multiple different sales from each month from my own online business. So I can say I never imagined that, and it's happening for me because I didn't give up. And now it's just the first year, guys. I need to learn a lot, because there is so much to learn. There is so much to understand, to realize the things while working on your business. It's not that easy. It's not that simple. Like at times it's so much complications are there, so many rejections are there, so many problems are there, difficulties are there, or even if you're going some with mental issues or physical issues or family or social issues, there is so much going in the background. There's so many distractions we have in our life, and we often feel distracted, or we often get lost. So I want to tell you guys, don't give up. Like, keep a planner, try to maintain that planner, try to do the things on a consistent basis. You're gonna get the results. Even if the things are not working right now the way you want to, it will going to work. Give it some time. The seed takes time to grow into a plant. Like if you are growing a seed, if you are putting the seed into the soil and watering it right now, it will going to take some time to actually see that seed growing and coming into a plant, and then giving the flower, the fruits and all that. If you're expecting that all those things in just a single month, then I would say you have a very short-term goals, and it won't work out, guys. You need to have a long-term perspective. You need to think that, okay, it's not working right now. The things are not going the way that I want to. That's okay. I'm going to do it no matter what happens, because I know, I realize, I understand that I'm going to get the results, because these are the long-term goals. These are the long-term things. I'm going to get the results which I want. So keep that perspective, guys. I know that right now my YouTube channel is getting a little bit less views in comparison to the January and the February, but I'm not giving up, because I know that there are the months where we are seeing the low sales or the low pickup, or the things are going quite slow or the stagnant. But if we are not giving up, if we are there, then we're gonna just pick up again and we're gonna get the sales. So I hope that these two secret sauce really helps you in getting more successful, in getting more sales for your own print-on-demand journey. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.